Oh, oh, come on. Hello. I suppose I was I was talking for nobody. Sorry, guys. So it was a little bit later. So okay, let me check everything is switched on or not. Let's wait a couple of minutes. So I believe that everything is working right now. Yeah, everything is working. So hello again, guys, and sorry for this delay. I was talking for nobody. So okay, guys, I will just repeat all of the stuff I was saying to nobody. So you're welcome to our DeFeed Crypto Pumper show. So today we're just going up to complete our follow, diversify our follow, and make something trades on futures. So hello everyone, hello. So I believe that you will not be very angry that I was late for the 5 minutes. So I was talking to you guys actually all of these 5 minutes, and I'm just spotted that I just make it without any sound and without any picture, without any image. Sorry for that. So hello again, and love you all, of course. So okay, let's dive deeper. So actually, I was talking that today we will not maybe we will not invest in holding strategy, but diversify our portfolio, making some tradings on futures, because you asked me so how to make the risk management, or how to make the folio or diversify your folio with the trading strategies. So today we will test some of them, and I will talk about the futures, about the perpetuals, and why you should or shouldn't go there. So if you are ready, guys, so we will be just starting. So hello again, Deeps, Bella, Azad, and everyone. So how we doing, guys? Okay, so I thought it was me. I was checking my volume. Okay, so yeah, um, sorry for that. Sorry for that. So as I said, that I'm glad that the hamsters all alive. Yeah, so everybody is alive, I believe. So we are starting. Okay, so let's look at the. So today I've just switched on the crypto bubbles. I like them. So we can see that today the market is pretty much red a little bit, yeah. So the main cryptocurrencies just staying in the same positions. So of course we uh, we see some, I don't see some crucial big moves. So let's go for the hour. So you can see that nothing very crucial. Yeah. So during the day we see that Solana just grows drastically, and Filecoin and Phantom just getting down. So it's okay. Let's go for the market cap. Yeah, as usual. So when you're just making your folio. Hello, Hamo as well. So if you are just making your follow and get just additional income to trade in, so you want to just check out, so you need to understand a few things here, that right now we're following some low bunkers, retirement folio, yeah, something like this. And if you want to trade, so your risk management is just raises. So you need to understand this. Okay, so today we will try to make some. Oh, yeah, sorry, guys. Some trades within the portfolio, within the perpetual swaps, and I will try to learn the basics there. So actually, I'm not a professional futures trading, and I believe my own experience will help you to start if you want to. But guys, it's a disclaimer that it's very risky. It's not financial advice. So you need to understand that in futures trading, you will have less, successful deals than, losers. So okay, let's go dive deeper. So today I will trade on BitFi, I believe. So it's has the same interface like, for example, Binance and other exchanges. So actually, all the perpetuals usually um, has the same basic interface. So first of all, what do you need to understand there and to check out? So the first one is that of course you can switch on the pairs here. Yeah, so you can see the hot position. For example, new position, you can just add them in watch list and other stuff. So um, we will watch different crypto there. Yeah, so we will learn so with you guys how to make the positions and what kind of positions and so on. Hamo asks about the Avia. So of course we will go through it. So if they have this, so uh, so today I will have the 122 USD actually. Uh, okay. So actually, these stuff were provided by our partner BitFi. So this is our bonuses. So I will trade them as reals, and I will try to make much more here, and I will try to get in the profits. So let's go there. And today, so this is so first of all, you need to understand. You need to take several rules. Yeah, within the perpetuals. So, seven, simple and not simple actually rules. So the first one is risk management. Yeah. So you need to understand that uh, every time you are just watching the crypto and you are trying to gather what are the real moves here and there. So you need to understand, okay, let's go for the 1 hour. Yeah, so you need to understand that you have only two options, up or down. Yeah, so and actually believe me guys, you will not be succeed in most of the cases, and even professional traders will never reach the 50% of successful deals. Remember this, guys. Your goal is to have at least 20% of successful deals, and then you will be successful. Yeah. So you need to control your losses, and you need to control your profits every time. And 25% of successful trades is ideal result. Yeah, so with the same strategy. So the second rule, you need to get the trading model. So these rules which you just make every time when trading. So changing the margin, for example, or changing your positions, or changing everything. Yeah, so we'll let you go into the former, and you will be just getting out from this market. So you need to have cold head, and you need to take the rules and give this and trade with the same rules at least 100, for example, or 1000 of deals and see your statistics. So, and you need a sheet when you just will provide all the statistics of the trading, yeah, all of your trading. So this trading model is so I believe that you need the universal, trading model for long, for shorts, and for bear market and for the bull market. Yeah. So the third rule. So the statistics. So as I mentioned before, so you need to get the statistics from each of the deal and analyze them. So the fourth rule, analyzing the statistics. Yeah. So the fifth rule, you will need to get the right leverage for your trades within the statistics you've gathered. And the sixth rule is testing with the long ranks, so enlarging your scaling up your strategy, analyzing it. And the last rule, so you need to always fix your faults and make it for a long time. So only in this completing these rules will let you be profitable on this market, and actually for the long run, actually. Yeah. So because on the short runs you will be losing a lot of stuff. Okay. So what instruments do I personally use? So of course, first of all, just I'm just using these simple strategies. So first of all, of course, we're looking for the time frame, yeah, and we're looking for the levels, yeah. So usual levels. So we can see that uh, I can see this level, for example. Yeah. So you can for your trading strategy, of course. So okay, let me see. Yeah. For example, we're taking link because the last time we haven't bought it. Yeah. So we see that, for example, we're taking these two lines, so we can see that it's going within these two, yeah, measures. The second instrument which I uh, use often, it's where is it? Sorry. Fixed range rolling profile, I believe. So you can see the levels on which the most liquidity were traded. So we can see that a lot of traded positions were here and there. So we can see that, so we can adjust our levels. Yeah, for example, something like this one. Yeah. So for example, adjust this level for this one and adjust this level for this one. Yeah. So we can see that, for example, right now this position is out of the levels. So maybe it's a good point to, so, and this, for example, level is a supportive, yeah, line or resistant line. Yeah. And it goes closer for this resistant line, and so after it will bounce on it, so we can go for the trade, for example. Yeah. So the next one oh, I'm sorry. So the next instrument you should understand, you should wisely use. So it's very simple. It's a long position or short position. Yeah. So it's the same stuff, but working in both sides. So what to use here? So for example, I want to go for the link for the long position because I believe it will, for example, retest this zone. Um, so when you will Okay, when you will double click it, so you can see some of the basic stuff here. So account size, lot size. So lot size I will not use. Yeah, the account size. So imagine you have, for example, 100 per week, for example. You just want to this is your account size, so for example it's 400, yeah, a month. The risk management, I want to trade, for example, with 1% of the risk management, and I want to get the, yeah, so I would lose $4 per trade, yeah, maximum. So how many trades can I do? Of course I can make 40 trades, for example, yeah. Okay, so then you see the risk reward ratio. So the risk reward ratio will allow you to provide the deals, to make the deals and to calculate your profits and your stop loss positions and everything. So I'm out of profit, yeah, here. So so how to control this? So my personal recommendation is put the 1 to 3, because you can imagine, so if you're just doing the 1 to 3, so on 100 of the deals, for example on the 30% of the winning of the deals, you will have the significant profits, yeah. So this is the standard newbies position, yeah. So maybe we can, so then always guys, if you're just newbie, use the isolated margin mode, because the cross margin, you will trade on all of your position, yeah. So and you will be in very risky. So isolated will be traded only for the amount you just selected, yeah. So only the size, so only the size of your deal will be available to do these trades, yeah. Okay, so then you will pick up the leverage. So actually, if you're playing long, start with 2 or start with 1 if you're just testing. So I'm taking usually something like 3-1. So, and if you're just going for the short position, take, so you can start with 1 or 2 actually. Even 3 is a little bit higher. So if I want to go and for example for the long position and make stop loss, for example, I understand that the next level of the support line will be here, and I want a little bit lower to make it. So for example here, yeah, so I can see that the radio right now is pretty much high, yeah. So I need to make so profits a little bit less, yeah. And I see that it's really okay. In this position, if I'm losing, yeah, so and going long, so I will be getting I will be getting the uh, so this is the same strategy will let me lose the same amount of money, yeah, so and winning as well. So but I need but I understand that for example I want to short this position, yeah, so if it will be bouncing or something, or even I want, so but maybe I understand that it will be going here for the, for example here, yeah. So to get this 3 ratio, I will need to make the very very short position, so very low position, yeah. So so determine the stop loss, yeah. So actually, let's see how it's going. So I will delete this one. Actually, the basic advice is to wait till it will be retesting this zone, yeah. But you can play with it, yeah. So playing with this stuff. So I will not go right. So let me draw another one lines. So if we are just going here, so if we would stay on the positions, on the latest positions, this one and this one, so we are seeing that it's right now retesting this zone, yeah. So actually I'm thinking of the short position on this trade. So if we will go for example for this one, yeah, for this one line, for this one retesting zone. So actually we see that, or for example this one, so actually we saw that it has already touched this one, yeah. So if we are going for example for short position, and we have two levels, yeah. So we have two levels. So I see that the first level we're not testing, so it can go, for example, for the new one here, yeah. So this is will be the resistance zone right now. Okay, so how to conveniently use graphics on computer? I don't know. Okay, let's go for the short position. So the same instrument here. So we want to go short, for example, here, yeah, on this position. So the same stuff here. So 1%. So we want to make stop somewhere here, for example. Uh, and we need the risk reward something here, yeah. Let's try this. So we're making short position. So right now we can see that we need to sell 32 of the link, yeah. Why it's, yeah, so our position should be 32 of links, and if we just get in the stop loss here, so if we just got stop loss here, so on this position, so we will lose only 1%, yeah. So but of course okay, if we want to, for example, take a risk, for example, on the it will be $4, yeah, risky. So but of course for example you need to get it even less risky, yeah, because you won't make more trades. For example, you can make, for example, something like this one, yeah. So you will adjust it, and the quantity will change for the 3, yeah. So let's go for 3, for example. So it will be just the Let's go. Okay, short. So right now let's go for the stop loss and take profit positions. So we've got take profit position on the 5.8, yeah. Take profit. So when the price will reach 5.820, okay, do not be very greedy. For example, 27 maybe. Yeah, so we will win $1. And if we just go for the stop loss position, it will be I can see where is the price. Why I cannot see the price? So 6,370. 6,370. Oh, 6,370. Yeah. So I will lose only 40 cents. Yeah. So it was 1%. It was $4. So we divide it in 10. So it will be only 40 cents. It doesn't matter actually. Uh, so I just make it less riskier because okay. So in this proportion, I can make a lot of deals, and I can provide these economical statistics. So I will need to make at least 100 deals to analyze my status. Yeah. Okay. So let's go for the AVI. Okay, so let's go for the AVI and see how it's feeling during the months. Okay, we can see that during the months it's going up here, yeah, and actually it's interesting situation. Globally, we are still in the uh, in the taking the position, yeah, but actually, if we go for the 7 days, for example, or just in yeah for the 7 days. Oh, I'm sorry, a bit glitchy. In the 7 days, so its behavior something like the Bitcoin actually, yeah, as well. So let's go for the okay. Let's try to find the maybe from here to here, maybe. Oh, I don't know, even something like this one, yeah. So we can see the levels on the trading. Optimal ranges, yeah. Going in and going out. Maybe I will take this one level as well. So that's why I'm using this one instrument sometimes, because sometimes it's even more precise. Yeah. So, but if I'm just looking uh, for the just standard, supportive line, so of course I would be somewhere here. Yeah. So, and it still is retesting the this zone. So if we see for the highest, so just points, just as usual. So we can see, so we have two patterns here. Yeah. So we need to understand. So if it goes something like this one, so in this corridor, so we've saw these going up out of the trend. So it was fault. Yeah. So it was fault. So, and that's why you need to wait on this position when it will be bouncing. So if it will be bouncing, so you will just go short. Yeah. So the same situation here. uh, it goes out, yeah, out of the line, and you're just waiting till it be bouncing. And if it's not bouncing, so this 2 points, it's false stuff, where false, going out of the line. So this one as well, yeah. So this one as well. So that's why you need to understand if it's a trend or not. Yeah. So if we're just going for this level, just taking account this level, we can see that it was just a false. It was just a false. Yeah. If it will be bouncing something like this, maybe, yeah. um, from other point of view, if we're just taking these two lines, so the prices goes very natively. Yeah. Very natively, and we can go for example, for the long position. So let's try to go for the long position here. Has it saved? Yeah. So why? So it's saved because we haven't changed it. Yeah, for the long position. Okay. So look at this. It's almost ideal. Yeah. So we need to make a little bit. So I want to take profit somewhere. So I'm not very greedy. Somewhere here. Yeah. So I can adjust my stop loss. Actually, it can go even lower. Yeah. So, but you will never know. You have 50% chance to guess, actually, every time, guys. So do not be very silly on this. Okay. So quantity 0. Oh, I've just put the long position. Yeah. What the hell is this? Why it's 0? Oh, so the price is too high. So quantity is 0. So how can we get this? Okay, I will go for a little bit less. For example, for $10 maybe. Oh, it's crossed 10x. Come on, guys. Why it's cross? I don't know. Every time you should check this one, yeah. So maybe we can adjust a little bit target. I don't see the quality. Why the quality is not working? Okay, let's do something like this one. Yeah. So let's go for the long position. So on $10. Um, okay. So we're going for long, yeah. Okay, so let's go. So take profit on 77.42 and 70.17. So a little bit more risky here, yeah. Okay, that's it, yeah. So we're waiting. Maybe it will return to this corridor. So we were just expecting that it will just return to this corridor. So what we're making next, guys? Okay, maybe go for our favorite medic. So it was dropping down actually today, and right now it's bouncing. So again, interesting situation here. Let's go for the 4 hours. So I would say that it's still retesting this zone, yeah. So it has the supportive line somewhere here, and so resistant line here and supportive line for example here, yeah. So let's look a little bit, higher, yeah. So if you're just looking for this one, you can understand that the local stuff here is not just the, if you're just going for the daily trades or just, okay, let's go for the 1 hour, yeah. So you can see that it's somewhere here, yeah. So in our position, so and you can see that this volatility is still on the on this big corridor, yeah. But guys, let's go for the exchange. Okay, we can just draw this line, yeah, here. So we can see actually big trading volumes here, and of course big trading volumes here, yeah. So but I wouldn't take it, yeah, here, because I would stay this one maybe. Okay, we can adjust a little bit, yeah, on this one. So actually for the medic, so if we just take this corridor, or even if we're taking for example this one corridor, yeah, even this one level, so it's still in this level, so it hasn't go out or in. What do you think, guys? We can even if we're just shorten with this stuff, yeah. But it doesn't seem like it was out of the court. So here we go, yeah. But this pattern, so I will not use this pattern. So if the coin, if the pair do not, go to your expectations, so do not go this. Yeah, do not go on this. If it doesn't meet your expectations, okay. So what else we will take it today, guys? What do you think? So maybe a couple of trades more. So let's go for the Bitcoin. Um, so as I said, that I believe so. Okay, let's see. Yeah, 31, maybe. So if we just draw the line on the 31 and a little bit, so something like this one, and for example, okay, if we go for this line, yeah, 30, 30, 31, so very, very, actually we're going for for this one, from my point of view, something like this one, yeah. So it's accumulating, it's still accumulating, so it's not going out of this line. So that's why it's very risky to go in any movements, because it can go here or here, doesn't matter. So um, we will need to spot this one spots here. So okay, uh, let's go for the 1 inch maybe. Interesting situation here. I suppose we've just lost the moment maybe. Let's look at this. So if we see that, for example, this was something like this one, yeah. Let's go a little bit here, yeah. Something like this one. So and it bounced on this one, so we can go short. We can go short, but let's go for the maybe 30 minutes. So I would pick up the short position here. Okay. Oh, so what we're gonna do here is of course enlarge our radio. Gonna stop loss somewhere here maybe. Okay, we need to buy, for example, 90. Isolated. Oh, why so much? We don't need this. I would even go for the 2 maybe. So the margin will just depict the quantity. Actually, it should depict the quantity. So let's go for the 90. Short position. Immediately we will go for the take profit on what are the goal target. Okay, this one. Take profit 0.092958. Uh, 0. I don't see. No, something wrong here. 31, 31.02. Let's cancel it. 31, 34, 31, 34. Okay, and good night, June, by the way. Okay, so let's confirm it. Take profit price less than last price. What's happening? Zero point 96. Okay. What the hell is that? But we just get the short position. Or we go long. I don't see. It's a short position. Okay, let's oh, take profit, so we need to, okay, sorry guys, I was just a little bit, okay, we need to change it, yeah, for the places. Okay, so we've got the 2x because we're shortening it, yeah. So what else? What else to see here? Maybe we'll go with the bubbles. Something big. So I saw the big moves on the Solana, yeah. Let's go for the Solana and see what's happening there. So yeah, it was out of this corridor. Oh, I'm sorry. It's wrong. Something like this, yeah. It's a very interesting situation. So for sure it should go for here right now. So we're waiting for it. I would take the short position, of course. Actually, it doesn't meet the expectations. Let's delete it. Something like this one, and we're expecting it will go somewhere here. Again, it's cross. sorry, isolated. So let's go for the 5. Okay. So we need to have just one, yeah, one Solana. Um, Actually, I want to sell 2 Solanas. Okay, let's go short, and let's go immediately for the stop loss position. So take profit on the stop loss on 399. Oh, sorry. So what is 20, 70, 72? 20, 70, 72. Stop loss. It will be even profitable, yeah. So something wrong here. So yeah, we're right now we're in the a good position maybe. Okay, and take profit on 98, 872 again. Yeah, take profit. Stop loss. Okay, 20.8 maybe. I don't know why it's so liquidation will be at 24 actually. Okay, we'll make 21. Something wrong here, I don't know. Oh, we've just we should make it right something like here, yeah. But it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. So the level was doing right, but actually we've got the right prices, actually 21, and this is a little bit more than we expected, but it's okay. Okay, so I believe that we will have just the last one. Let's see what's to trade in. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Let's go for the ADA. Can we go short here as well? Seems to me we can go short. Short position here. So our target is somewhere here. Because we understand that, for example, it was bouncing something like here, so we can go here, and we need even big amount of profit, yeah. So a little bit risky. So too many profits we need, yeah. Can it go there? So let's try. Market something like 10. Up here again, it is isolated. Why it's isolated? I will get with small leverage, something like 1. We need to buy a lot of ADA here. We cannot afford this because, okay, let's go for the 2, maybe 3. Okay, let's go for the 3 one. Why it's not changing? I don't know. And go for the 10. So the stop will be on 0.00 0.2867. 0.28. $67. Yeah, and the profit will be on the 0.02723. So guys, imagine, so with the ratio 1 to 3, so I should win actually something around 2 of these deals will give me the profits more than losses. Yeah. Okay, let's go find another one pair. So let's go. Okay, Atom. I want to make a deal on Atom. We can see the same situation maybe, but it wasn't bouncing very much. Yeah. Let's go for the 4 hours. So actually the 8 I believe that's the supportive line. Let's go isolated. So I will not, so I will make a fold, for example. For example, I will show you how not to do some of the stuff maybe. So we need to go, okay, we will go, for example, with 5 leverage, for example, and we will buy big position. So okay, we will go for the, for example, for the long position right now. Yeah, and we will go for the stop loss around around 8 and 2. So you can see that the ratio is very low, so we need to go higher. So or just make the stop loss less. Yeah, something like this. Okay, we need stop loss here on 8 something. Yeah, so we need, you should see that the ratio is too big. Yeah, it's too risky. Okay, we will go, for example, here. So because we're thinking that this is the line. Yeah, the ratio goes upper. Okay, but still it's not enough. So okay, we just decided to enlarge the leverage to, for example, 8 9. Yeah, the ratio is still not very good. because I believe that our target will be somewhere here, maybe 10, maybe 9 and 9, maybe. Yeah. Okay, let's go for the even higher, for example, 12. No, somewhere here, maybe, yeah, or just here. So you can see that the ratio is not very good. You need a lot of stuff to buy. So we will go for the market. We will go for the, for example, for the 15 something. So you made everything wrong here, yeah. So, and you can be actually lucky, but I believe that it will be you know, it will be a loose position, and in this case, oh, why it's okay. So you need, every time you need to check up this stuff, because okay, let's buy 20. Let's go long. Um, so 8 and 8, 74. So look at this, 9. Yeah. So actually, very big amount. And 10, oh, 62. So of course, so the ratio, risk ratio is just something like 50%. So you cannot afford this one. Yeah. Okay. So if you will lose, so this position, if you will lose, so imagine, so you need to win 10 positions, standard positions. So that's mean a fold. Yeah. So that's a fold. And you can see, so this can be, you know, this is too risky. Okay. So bye bye, Les, as well. So let's do the oh, let's see the gala. No, the gala, no, I will not go on this one. Maybe that. What's going on with that? Is it supposed to go down? Okay, the thing's changing, yeah, with the different time frames. Don't think that. Maybe a look at fun. No fun token here, Tom. Actually, no. Okay. Okay, let's go for the BTC. So what do you think about BTC, guys? Too risky. Maybe ETH. Okay, let's go for the ETH isolated. Something like less risky. Long position. Yeah. 3x. And we will take profit, for example, somewhere here, 90. For example, somewhere here, maybe, yeah, somewhere here, 90. Okay, 02. $1. Take it to the bank, maybe. Or we can go within the a little bit higher expectations for a long period of time. For example, going for the 90, this one line, yeah, and 90.59. Let's go for this. So liquidation price is 1,200. So it's significantly loss will be, yeah. So but actually I will not change it. So let's see the next day the changes of these coins, and that's all, guys. So I believe you like the stream. So if you like our trading sessions on BitFi, so you can just go in the description, find the link. If you have the power to do this. If not, just draw me a few lines, and we will change our strategy for your needs, guys. So love you all. Bye bye.